Ever wondered if you can really make money online fast? Well, let me tell you how I made $1,000 in just 1 week, using nothing but my laptop and an internet connection. It all started when I decided to stop scrolling and start earning. I spent a weekend learning about freelancing and digital gigs. I discovered platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where people pay for skills, from writing to graphic design to Shopify setup. So, I listed a simple service: Shopify store setup and automation. My first order came in within 2 days, $100. I delivered it fast, got a 5-star review, and guess what? 3 more orders followed that same week. By day 7, I had completed 5 small projects and crossed the $1,000 mark. The crazy part? I did it all after work hours. No boss, no office, just consistency. The secret isn't luck, it's value and visibility. Offer something useful, promote your gig on social media, and treat every client like your first. Word spreads fast when you deliver quality. If you want to start today, here's my advice. Pick one skill you already have. Create a simple gig offer. Deliver fast and build trust. You don't need perfection, just action. So, if you're still waiting for the perfect time to start making money online, this is it. Your laptop can be your new paycheck, if you use it right.